Good morning. Well, this is a view you don't very often get of the Shropshire Union Canal. So today I'm here with the Trust. We are taking some soil samples and looking at the breach site and the progress that's being made here, which is fantastic. Great work from Kia. So I'm stood on part of the dam, and behind me is the way towards Chester, and in front of me obviously is that way, which is towards Barbridge and going south on the Shropshire. So there you go, that's an unusual view, isn't it? When you consider that I was only here last at the end of February when I took these drone shots, the destruction was just immense. The canal water was still flowing out into the River Gowie below. There was sediment that had been washed away from the canal bank, and it was just terrible. The canal was still temporarily dewatered at this stage, and Canal and River Trust erected this porter dam around the breach site to try and maintain some water still in the canal. This was to try and aid getting the boats refloated that had been stranded. I find it incredible that Kia have been able to put all this infrastructure in place in such a short time, building a road down the middle of the canal bed and diverting the flow of the canal so the rest of the water can go round it. You can see the metal gratings the boats was used to tie up to, just contorted and bent by the force of the water. Well, this is it. This is the breach from a very, very unique angle. So I'm right in the middle of it, pretty much. Just go back a little bit. So here I am right in the middle of the towpath. You can just see the amount of damage that storm flooding did. Quite remarkable, really. And so the team here with Kia are doing a fantastic job by the looks of it. The site is clean, tidy, well prepared. There's so much aggregate and things around here. Really well done. I really like this photo, not because there's a big hole in the canal, but just the way it's framed with the digger right in the centre of the breach. Very strange. As well as all the aggregate that was brought through to build the stone roadway down the canal, all of this metal piling had to be brought in too, to allow all the plants to get there. It's strange to think that this clay hasn't seen the light of day since the 1770s when the canal was built. It was our job today as environmental scientists to collect soil samples to make sure there were no contaminants in any of the sediment that's been washed away. The time I had at the site was incredibly interesting. So big thanks go to the environment team with Canal and River Trust for allowing me to come with them and give them a hand.